If you want to buy tickets fast on Ticketmaster, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Go ahead to the official website of Ticketmaster, and then what you're gonna do, go and sign in or register with your account. Okay, make sure that you enter your credit card or debit card in your country, and then your zip code. Okay, and basically after you log in or sign up with your account, you're gonna be able to see the interface, find your tickets. Okay, if you want, let's say, Dancing with the Stars. Okay, and as you can see right here, I'm gonna take this ticket, for example, Richmond, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and click Find Tickets. I'm gonna wait until the link is generated. And here we're gonna accept and continue to their policies, and we're gonna select our seat. All right, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just proceed to buy the seat. Okay, let's have an example, this one, right? And then proceed to your payment, or you can use buy now, pay later at checkout. Okay, so I'm gonna click next. And as we said before, make sure that you log in and add your credit card and debit card and everything. Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.